Hello students, this is class 5th. Class 5th. Subject GK. In the GK subject, we have to study lesson 22, IQ challenge first. Lesson 22, IQ challenge first. IQ challenge first. And this IQ challenge first, so you have to see page number 34. Page number 34. Find the odd figure out. Now you see these figures, this page number, and you try to understand. Find the odd figure out. First you see which one is odd. 4 figures are given. The first 4 figures are given. In the 4 figures, in the first diagram you see the arrow, one arrow comes inside and other outside. And the B also, one arrow, direction of one arrow is inside, while direction of another arrow is outside of the circle. In case of the third, same position is there. The direction of one arrow is inside, while the direction of another arrow is outside. And fourth you see D. Here the direction of both the arrows inside, the circle is outside. So D is odd figure. So here first you have to write D. Now see second, 4 squares are given, and the 3 squares are divided into 4 equal parts. B you see it is divided into 4 equal parts. C also divided into 4 equal parts. D, it is also divided into 4 equal parts, but A is divided into 2 unequal parts. So second, it is divided into 2 unequal parts. So second, in second A is odd. So second A. Now see next, determine the figure which will complete the problem figure. One problem figure is given and 4 other figures are given. So you have to choose from these and set here which will be. So you see the first. No, this having zigzag. So in the case of the third problem figures, it is given. So D, for this third, it will also visit D. Third, in case of the fourth, problem figure is given and 4 solutions are given. You have to select one. So which will be filled here? A. It's A will be correct option here. 4A. Fourth A. Now fifth, find out which of the answer figure A, B, C and D complete the figure matrix. One problem figure is given and 4 solutions are given. You have to write, you have to select one. So A, B, C and D. In every line you see that one circle is given and circle contains 4 bars, one circle contains 3 bars, while one circle contains 2 bars. In fourth, one circle contains in fourth, this one is in this case first having 1 bar, second having 4 bar, and next have to be 3 bars. So in this situation A is correct option. So fifth A. Fifth is correct option because there is need of a circle containing 3 bars. So B having the 4 bars, C having only 2 bars, while fourth D having also 4 bars. So here fifth will be correct option. So now we have to see another question. 24th lesson 24th quiz first. Lesson 24. Lesson 24th quiz first. Quiz first. So you have to see page number 36. Now you see page number 36. Lesson 24. Page number 36. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. What is the name of the joint in the middle of the arm? What is the name of the joint in the middle of the arm? This is one joint is there, one joint is there, one joint is there. You have to tell the name of this joint. What is the name of this joint? So 3 options are given: knee, B shoulder, and C is elbow. So elbow is correct option. C, elbow is correct option. First C. First C, elbow. Now second, which is the largest bone in the human body? Our body contains bones and you have to tell the largest bone. So 3 options are given: femur, pelvis and clavicle. Femur is also known as the thigh bone, Pelvis is hip bone and pelvis is collarbone. So which one is the largest bone? So A, femur. A. So second, I mean A. That is correct option. A is femur. Femur. Now third, muscles are made up of millions of cells called. Muscles are made up of millions of cells are called. Three options are given: fibers, femurs, and humerus. So femur is bone, humerus is also bone. So here fibers is correct option. So third A. And fourth, how many bones are there in the skull of an adult human being? So here C, 33 bones. Fourth, C. Now see the fifth. In which part of the body is the smallest bone located? So that is three options are given: ear, nose, and legs. So ear is correct option. Now sixth, which among the following disease is caused by a virus? Three diseases are given: ulcer, high blood pressure, and AIDS. Synovial, that is the AIDS is correct option. AIDS is caused by a virus. 6. C means C. AIDS. And fifth, that is A. Fifth I mean A. Here. 6 and 7. Where does an image form in the eye? Three options are given: retina, iris, and pupil. So retina is the place where image formation takes place. So seventh A. Retina. And eighth, in which among the following parts of the human body is blood manufactured? Three options are given: uterus, stomach, and bone marrow. So bone marrow is the part of human body where blood formation takes place. So here C, bone marrow. Bone marrow. 9. Which among the following functions is not done with the tongue? Tasting food, speaking, and tearing food. So tearing food is done by the teeth. So C, 9C. 9C. Tearing food. And 10. Which among the following acid is found in our body? So that is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. So 10th A, hydrochloric acid is found in our body. 10, that is 10 is A. Hydrochloric acid. hydrochloric acid. It is found in our body. So you write these things in your the notebook. So that's all. Thank you. That's for today.